Hey, once again, everyone, welcome back to our statistics class notes. We're on page 131, and we are just on the bottom of page 130. We were talking about the two different types of questions that confidence intervals and hypothesis test are answering for us. So they're similar, but they ask slightly different questions, which is what we just went over. Now, and even though they are designed to answer different questions, they are similar enough to lead us to reach the same types of conclusions. A confidence interval can lead us to the same type of conclusion as a two-sided hypothesis test. That's important. So a confidence interval is similar to a two-sided hypothesis test. If we do a one-sided hypothesis test, we really can't quite compare it to a confidence interval unless we make the confidence interval a little bit narrower, which is possible. So here's why. So relationship between confidence levels and significance levels for two-sided hypothesis test. So if I have a confidence level of 90%, all right, that's the same as having a two-sided hypothesis test, alternative hypothesis, which is P not equal to P naught. That's at a significance level of 10%. So there's a relationship. The confidence level is 1 minus alpha, our significance level, and the significance level of the hypothesis test is at 10%, so is alpha. So a 95% confidence level, sort of the most common confidence level, is equivalent to doing a hypothesis test with a 5% significance level. In other words, we're looking to lop off the two tails of 2.5% each, and we get our 5% significance level. Okay, and then the 99% confidence level is equivalent to having a 1% alpha or significance level. Notice that I didn't put it in here, I don't want to confuse you too much, but let's say I had a 95% confidence level. That would not be equivalent to a one-sided test where alpha is 5%. What that would be equivalent to is a one-sided test where alpha would be 2.5%. Okay, so we have to think about we're only lopping off one side there. But anyways, let's try not to worry about that too much and understand that confidence levels and significance levels are related as such for two-sided hypothesis test. Okay, so in the next video, I'll actually go over the example next to show you how that works.